I'm talking now with the jaw track in, and it feels very natural, and I am going to take it out now to show you the difference. I have facial collapse, a deep overbite, and I didn't really know what I didn't like about both my appearance and my bite. But I brought my daughter here to Dr. Muslin because of her bite problems and a facial collapse also. And when I saw the procedure and the results and the comfortable bite she now has, I decided to come here and get this done for myself. I've gotten it done. I had the VENLAYs on upper and lower, of course, and the differences I see are that my bite is greatly improved. I chew so much better. My overbite is corrected. Secondly, I looked in the mirror before I had this done and saw the collapse of upper over the look. It was just facial collapse. And now the collapse is gone. There's a smoothing or a more proportionate look to my face. Also, the lines, frown lines or whatever you call them, have been smoothed out. They're not as obvious. So I'm very happy with these results, and I'm very glad I came to Dr. Muslin.